Jiangxi Hongsheng Saws Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Jiangxi Province, China. Specialized in the manufacture of bandsaw blades. It occupies an area of 1,200 square meters and has professional automatic production lines with teeth punching machine, teeth setting machine, welding machine, and teeth point hardening, etc. for production of various types of bandsaw blades with good quality. From the finest raw material heat-treated steel strip selection to the blade production till the delivery, we have complete technique production, quality control, sales, and service department to guarantee every customer's order to be finished perfectly. Our main products include narrow band saw blades and wide band saw blades, mini saw blades, bimetal saw blades, which are widely used in cutting hard and soft wood, frozen meat bone, food, furniture, carpentry, stone, metal, leather, foam, fabric, paper, etc. We can accept inquiries and orders according to customers' requirements. Our factory has own technical team and inspection team to strictly control the product quality. All of our band saw blades have passed strict tests, which make quality guaranteed. Over years' rich experience, we export our products worldwide, and they enjoy a very good popularity in the markets of South America, Europe, Middle East, and Far East countries, South Africa, etc. We strongly believe that high-quality products and excellent service will create a better tomorrow with our clients, and we will be always striving to achieve this goal.